This is what I call a kind of like DNA sequence codon analyzer. It tells you how many of each sequence is in basically a group of bases, for example. Now you can either pull from a text file, or in this case for impact, we are going to cut and paste between the quotation marks a 10,000 base sequence. And there we have 10,000 bases. And now we're going to start looking for the patterns. All right, all we're going to do here is just to basically add value to the variable. There we go. And it removes the spaces and the character return, so to say. And now, once again, we are going to hit Control and Enter, and this will give us our information. And this is very basic code, but for example, you see there ATI 137 times it appears, ATC 149, so on and so forth. Real basic code, easy to use and alter. I'll be posted for you on YouTube. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy, and catch you guys in a bit. Ralph signing off.